Hi guys, I'm finally getting all my tomato seeds started today. I've got all my supplies here ready to go, the seed starting cells, popsicle sticks, and a pen so that I can label them. If you have a fine tip permanent marker, I would recommend that over a pen. And most important of all, I have my tomato seeds. I will let you guys know what varieties we are growing at the end of the video. I've got my seed starting mix ready to go, and of course it has been pre-moistened and everything, which is very important. If you want to see a demonstration as to why it's so important, you can click on the link to the video that I will be putting up on the screen. So let's jump right into this, and I will be back to talk to you guys at the end of the video. Okay guys, I'm back, and I still need to plan out one little cell pack, but I'm going to wait and finish that up after the video. These seeds are going to go inside under my grow lights. If you're a beginner and you don't have grow lights, you can always place them in a south-facing window. But the window really does need to be south-facing so that your seedlings will receive as much light as possible. If there's a big tree in the way or something like that, it's not going to work. Your seedlings are going to get really leggy and tall and skinny. While my seedlings are germinating, I like to cover them up with some plastic. This creates a nice, warm, humid environment, and that really does help in aiding the little seedlings to sprout. It usually takes about a week or so. Once they sprout, the plastic does need to be removed. Alright guys, I'm going to put the varieties that I'm growing up on the screen, and I will talk to you next time. Bye!